Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's maths lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn about animal Carroll diagrams. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify different characteristics of animals and you will be able to categorize animals into different groups. For this lesson, you will need the words animals, Carroll, sort, group, legs, and baby. Let's recap. What is a Carroll diagram? A Carroll diagram is a way of sorting objects, numbers, and shapes. It looks like a table and has different criteria for you to sort with. Can you think of different ways we can sort animals? Yes, we can sort animals into those that are big and those that are small. We can even sort animals into those that run fast and those that walk slow. There are many ways we can sort it into different colors and where they live. Some live on land, some live in the water. So there are many different ways we can sort animals out. Here we have four different animals. We can sort it out into those that have 2 legs and those that have 4 legs, and those that are a baby and those that are an adult. Let us look at the chicken. Does the chicken or the hen have 2 legs? Yes, it does. Is it an adult chicken or is it a baby chicken? Yes, it is an adult chicken. So we will put it in the block that has 2 legs and is an adult. Now let's look at this horse. How many legs does the horse have? It has 4 legs. Is it a baby horse or is it an adult? It is an adult. So we will put it in the block that says 4 legs and an adult. Now let's look at this goat. How many legs does this goat have? Does it have 2 legs or 4 legs? It has 4 legs. And is it a baby or an adult? It is a baby. Excellent. Now let's look at this duckling. Does the duckling have 2 legs? Yes, it does. And is it a baby? Yes, it is. So we will put it in the block that has 2 legs and it says baby. Now let's sort the animals out in a different way. We can sort the animals out into farm animals and wild animals. Animals that are printed and animals that are plain. Let's look at the tiger. Does the tiger have a print on it? Yes, it does. Is it a wild animal or a farm animal? It is a wild animal. So we are going to put it in the block that says wild animal and printed. Let's look at the sheep. Here we have a sheep. Is it a farm animal or a wild animal? It is a farm animal. Very good. Does it have any print on it? Or is it plain? It is plain. Okay, it's a farm animal and it is plain. Very good. Now let's look at this cow. Does the cow have any print on it? Yes, it does. And is it a farm animal or a wild animal? It is a farm animal. So we are going to put it in the block that says farm animals and printed. Now let's look at this lion. Does the lion have a print on it? No, it does not. Is it a wild animal? Yes, it is. So we're going to put it in the block that says wild animals and plain. And now we've sorted out these animals. Let's try sorting out these animals. We have a crab, a whale, a camel, and a hen. And we can sort it out into animals that live in water and animals that live on land. And animals that have legs and animals that has fins. Let's look at the first one. We have a crab. Does the crab have legs? Yes, it does. Does it live in water? Yes, it does. So we can put it in the block that says lives in water and has legs. Now let's look at the camel. Does this camel have legs? Yes, it does. Does it live on land? Yes, it does. So we're going to put it in the block that says lives on land and has legs. Now let's look at the whale. Does the whale have legs? No, it does not. Does it have fins? Yes, it does. Does it live on land or water? It lives in the water. So we're going to put it in the block that says lives in water and has fins. Now let's look at the last animal. Does this animal have legs? Yes, it does. And does it live on land or in the water? It lives on land. So we're going to put it in the block that says lives on land and has legs. Remember, we can have more than 2 in one block, and we can also have blocks that are empty. Try sorting out these shapes on your own, in your own way. You can come back and check if your answers are correct. This is one way of sorting out these animals. We can sort it out into those that are brown and those that are not brown, those that jump and those that walk. Let's look at this animal. Is it brown? No, it's not. Do you think this elephant jumps or walks? It walks, so we're going to put it in the block that says not brown and walks. Let us look at the monkey. Is the monkey brown? Yes, it is. Does it jump or walk? It jumps. Okay, so we can put it in the block that says brown and jumps. Remember, a monkey does walk as well, but it can jump a lot. Let's look at this animal. Is it brown? No, it's not. Does it jump or walk? It jumps, so we can put it in the block that says not brown and jumps. Now let's look at the bear. Does the bear walk? Yes, it does. Is it brown? Yes, it is. So we can put it in the block that says brown and walks. And now you have sorted animals into a Carroll diagram as well. We've come to the end of the lesson. I hope you all enjoyed it. Assalamu alaikum.